Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we were looking at the Azure Application Gateway cheat sheet. So, Azure Application Gateway is an application-level routing and load balancing service, and it operates on the OSI Layer 7, also known as the application layer. You can attach a WAF, and so that will give you additional security. An application gateway is composed of a front-end, routing rules, and backends. So front ends, you'll choose an address type. So you either want it to be a private IP or a public IP. For backends, you'll create backend pools, and a backend pool can be a variety of different things, but a backend pool is a collection of resources to which your application gateway can send traffic, and there's that list. So you can make it a VM scale set, IP address, domain name, or app service. For routing rules, they are composed of listeners, backend targets, and HTTP settings. So a listener listens on a specific port and IP address for traffic that uses a specific protocol. If the listener criteria is met, the application gateway will apply the routing rule. There are two types of listeners, basic and multi-site. You're probably mostly likely going to be using basic, but if you do use multi-site, that's cool. Requests are matched according to the order of the rules and the types of listeners. Add your basic listeners last, otherwise it will capture all requests. For backend targets, choose where a route should either go to a backend pool or a redirection. To create a rule for a backend pool, you need to create the HTTP setting or settings. The S is missing on there. Define how we want to handle cookies, connections, draining, port requests, timeout, and more. That's for the HTTP settings. So there you go.